So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through, as I mentioned, just some of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 65,101. We have the coolant temperature gauge beneath that. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo and phone controls, and then cruise control on the right-hand side. In the center is the stereo itself, and the screen for the stereo directly above it. So when it comes to listening to your own music, first of all, you can see we have a USB input. We have Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input as well. We have the radio, of course. This car has got, as you can see, FM radio, DAB, and AM as well. We've also got a CD player, as you can see. And the CD player is just here. You can pair your phone from here, access everything else that I was, and then the volume is just there as well. Below that, we have the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature inside the car, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperature you've asked for. Any manual adjustment, you can override auto and put it back on your own settings. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen, this button turns off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is turned off when that light shows. You can turn your parking sensors on and off from here as well. We have the 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt charging socket, and then your auxiliary and USB inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.